logged into Yahoo and I catch the headlines. Veteran Hollywood stuntman dies at 74. And I click in and I see 177 painted on the fuselage of a plane diving almost straight towards the earth. World War II vintage, P-51. Rest in peace, Jimmy Leeward. He lived a full and eventful life by any stretch of the imagination. Though advanced when he died at 74, which was just yesterday, he was actively and vividly living the adventure that can be life. It was life for him. He was living a life in passion. He was a stuntman. He was in an air show, Reno, Nevada. It's a disaster what happened. It looks like it was a mechanical failure. Photographs show there was some issues with the trim tab on the rear elevators of the plane. And so, unfortunately, lamentably also, for the innocent spectators who were involved, crashed into a very small portion, really, when you think about it, but crashed into the spectator stands. In total, 9 are dead, 56 injured. We extend, of course, our deepest blessings for those killed and injured in the event and the family members in the tragedy. And, in fact, this news, this incident, celebrates exactly 2 of our strongest themes. And that number 1 is life is uncertain. There is no ultimate security. In his photo snapped 10 months ago, 10 months prior, he looks like a fit, trim, intelligent, active man. He looks proud. In his photo snapped the day prior to his accident and death at the showgrounds, he was happy, fit, and proud. He didn't look worried that tomorrow would close his life. But hey, he was doing something extremely dangerous, and he knew it. But the spectators? It was the first time any spectator had been killed in the races since almost half a century, since the event began, though 20 pilots have lost their lives. Almost like it doesn't matter because they knew what they were doing. Counting Jimmy, like we said, 9 lives dead, 56 early. And it goes to point number 2. The corollary of that brutal reality of uncertainty is you'd better live now. You can't live yesterday or tomorrow. Although it is possible not to live in a manner now, being absorbed and overly involved and committed and ruled by either yesterday or tomorrow. Nope. If you're going to get anything done, if you're going to do anything, if you're going to say to anyone you love them, you'd better contribute now. You'd better say I love you now. You'd better live your passion. Live your making now. Because you don't know when. None of us know where we'll be, what we'll be doing, nor what seemingly odd stroke of chance will single us out one uncertain day. I mean, like I said, none of the spectators thought it was their day either. That being said, Jimmy Leeward, life writ large. Hey, you got to go. And really, there's only 2 ways. Health failure or accident. It's just the way it goes. Health failure, accident. Even if you die of nothing but old age, body shuts down. Health failure or accident. Hey, at 74, he did not go early. But live. What if he had gone at 34, like a lot of people do? Live your passion. He went out, engaged in the max, to the max, in his passion. And while he may have had some moments of knowing he was about to have a bad accident, he didn't suffer much. Ultimately, he knew all along he was playing a chancy game. One error could cost him his life. And he was only as good as his equipment. He engaged life in the seat on the edge of the pants manner into a mature age, knowing every day he beat the odds. It was his job, pushing the edge. He lived every day of his professional life knowing that many of his brethren had paid the ultimate price in stunts that didn't work out exactly right. At 74, maxed into the throttle. Wow. What a way to go. Victorious. Though he goes a hero. He didn't whimper into eternity. When his number came, he was diving at high speed.